So, hello everyone, welcome to this my channel, and my name is Shravani Gangadhar Kapse, and today's I am explaining BW topic induction motor. Okay, induction motor we can daily use in fans, mixers, etc. Okay, induction motor is a world most popular electric engine. Okay, then next slide. What is induction motor? It is a type of motor that change electricity into movement using a magnets. Okay, they can use the magnets and moment create, and then without any physical contact between parts. Okay, that is induction motor. Next, um, from the fan in your homes to massive machine in factories, inductions motors are the most common type of electric motor in the world today. Okay, we can use also induction motor. Okay, in factories, machines, fans. Okay, then next slide. How to work? Induction motor is how to work. First one is electricity. AC power is sent to stationary outer part, means rotor. Supply the AC current to outermost part, means starter. Then magnetism. These create a rotor magnetic field that spin around inside the motor. Induction. The field purchase electricity into the spinning inner part rotor through magnetic force momentum. The rotor starts to case the magnetic field, making the motor spin. Okay, first one is supply the electricity to induction motor. Then the starter is outermost cover of an induction motor, then rotate and then create a magnetic field, then create a magnetic field electricity into spinning inner part, then move spin the motor. Okay, next slide. Major components. First one is a starter, then is a rotor and frame. The outer shell that says steel starter. Okay, it holds the coils of wire that create the magnetic field. The rotor, the inner part, the actually spin, it is connected to the shaft that does the work. The outside case that protects the motor and helps keep it cool during operation. Okay, starter is outermost part and innermost part of the rotor. Next, first one is a starter. The starter is made of many thin layer of a steel and thick copper wire. When electricity flows through these wire, they act as magnets because the electricity alternates the north and south poles of the magnet spin around in a circle. Okay, starter is made up of a steel and iron, and in the starter presents the north and south pole of the magnet spin around in a circle. Next is the rotor. The most induction motor use a square cage rotor. It looks like a round cage that a small animal might run in. It is metal bears instead of wire coils. This design is incredibly strong and almost never breaks even under heavy stress. Okay, then next slide. Which type to choose? Power source, home outlet, industry supply. Means in induction motor, single phase and three phase are two types. Power source, home, we can use the single phase in home and three phase in industrial supply. Start needs to help capacitor. Single phase to needs a help for capacitors, and starters by itself, means in three phase starters by itself. Power small up to 5 HP, and in three phase 1000 of HP. Efficiency low and very high. Why they are great? Induction motor is why they are great. Cheap to build. Induction motor is cheap and they use simple material like steel and copper. Okay. Low maintenance. No brushes to replace, so they run off dedicates. Reliable. They can start and stop thousands of minutes without failing. Okay. Clean. They produce no smoke for famous while running. Okay. Next, everyday application. We can use in our daily life induction motor in fans, boleros, and air conditioner. Okay. Water. Pumping water from home and farms we can also use it daily, and then many times we can use the induction motor. Thank you for watching this video.